we have fire extinguisher station. First, if you want to use the fire extinguisher, this one you need to pull the pin, and the second one you need to add the fire, and third one you need to squeeze the lever, and the last one you sweep the nozzle. We have 5 fire integration color codes. First, the red label represent the water integration. It is only for class A fire such as wood, paper and textile. It must not be used on flammable liquids or electrical fire. Next, the blue label is the dry powder integration. It is versatile and can be used on class A, B and C fire. Can use for mining woods, paper, flammable liquids and gas fire. It can also be used on electrical equipment. The cream label represent the foam integration. It is suitable for class A and B fire but cannot be used on live electrical equipment. Then we have the black label, the carbon dioxide integration. It is effective for flammable liquid fire and electrical fire, but it should not be used in confined space. And lastly, we have the yellow label. Is the wet chemical integration. It is used for class A fire and especially class F fire, such as cooking oil fires in kitchen.
Fire extinguisher is not a service, so if we want to service, we can do an inspection monthly to see there are some leaks or damage. If your fire extinguisher has expired or is severely damaged, you just need to buy a new one. Usually, fire extinguisher has expired between 10 and 12 years.
A fire hydrant, also called a water plug, is an important fire protection component. It provides firefighters with direct access to a water supply during an emergency. It is placed in strategic outdoor locations so that fire hose can be connected quickly. Without fire hydrants, firefighters will not have a reliable water source to control large fire. Other than that, we have a fire alarm control panel. The fire alarm control panel continuously monitors all fire detectors and will automatically trigger the alarm when a fire is detected. The fire alarm bell then produces a loud warning sound to alert everyone in the building. At the same time, the sprinkler system will active when it sends heat, releasing water to help control the fire. In addition, the fire hose reel provides a steady supply of water that can be used to control small fires before they spread.
The emergency exit have at every door. So if we want to see the emergency exit, we can see when we go out from the building. So if we have anything happen, emergency exit is the thing that can help us to get out of the building. So this is the emergency plan. If there anything happen, we can see this plan to find a safety exit to get out of the building.
Emergency lights are part of the firefighting system. The function is to provide lighting during a power failure, especially during a fire. They help guide occupants to exits, staircases, and safe evacuation routes. Emergency light ensure visibility for both building user and rescue teams. Without them, evacuation will be dangerous and confusing in dark or smoky conditions.
The emergency exit is the important thing in the building. So they have a several location the emergency exit have. At first, they have at staircase, at public building and hallways.
The main function of power distribution box is for distributes electrical power from main supply. It is also protects circuits with breakers and fuse. Other than that, it ensures safe and organized power management. In terms of safety protection, distribution box will be cut off the power supply in case of overload, short circuit, or current leakage.
Doing a life cycle cost analysis LCCA that can help the environment as a quantity surveyor by doing a life cycle cost analysis for mechanical and electrical system. This helps client compare not only the initial price but also the long-term energy consumption, maintenance costs, replacement costs, and environmental impact. By showing the energy efficient system like LED lighting or high efficiency HVAC save more money over time, you encourage clients to choose sustainable options. It is an ethical responsibility because building professionals have a duty to protect the health, safety, and well-being of building occupants and the environment. Unsustainable mechanical and electrical systems can waste energy, increase carbon emissions, raise long-term costs for the client, and contribute to the environmental damage. By promoting sustainable mechanical and electrical practices, professionals ensure that buildings are safe, efficient, environmentally responsible, and do not burden future generations. Instead of using conventional lights and aspect devices to installing LED lighting with motion sensors. This satisfies the building owner's ethical obligation to the client and the environment by lowering electricity consumption, carbon emission, and long-term operation costs.